初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Where is the zoo entrance?
Where is the zoo entrance?
动物园入口在哪里？
Where is the zoo entrance?
Where is the zoo entrance?
How much is the ticket?
How much is the ticket?
门票多少钱？
How much is the ticket?
How much is the ticket?
Do you have family tickets?
Do you have family tickets?
有家庭票吗？
Do you have family tickets?
Do you have family tickets?
What time does the zoo open?
What time does the zoo open?
动物园几点开门？
What time does the zoo open?
What time does the zoo open?
What time does the zoo close?
What time does the zoo close?
动物园几点关门？
What time does the zoo close?
What time does the zoo close?
Can I have a zoo map?
Can I have a zoo map?
可以给我一张动物园地图吗？
Can I have a zoo map?
Can I have a zoo map?
Where is the panda area?
Where is the panda area?
熊猫区在哪里？
Where is the panda area?
Where is the panda area?
Where are the lions?
Where are the lions?
狮子在哪里？
Where are the lions?
Where are the lions?
Where can I see elephants?
Where can I see elephants?
在哪里可以看到大象？
Where can I see elephants?
Where can I see elephants?
Where are the giraffes?
Where are the giraffes?
长颈鹿在哪里？
Where are the giraffes?
Where are the giraffes?
Is there a bird show today?
Is there a bird show today?
今天有鸟类表演吗？
Is there a bird show today?
Is there a bird show today?
What time is the dolphin show?
What time is the dolphin show?
海豚表演是几点？
What time is the dolphin show?
What time is the dolphin show?
Where can I see monkeys?
Where can I see monkeys?
在哪里可以看到猴子？
Where can I see monkeys?
Where can I see monkeys?
Can I feed the animals?
Can I feed the animals?
我可以喂动物吗？
Can I feed the animals?
Can I feed the animals?
Is feeding allowed here?
Is feeding allowed here?
这里允许喂食吗？
Is feeding allowed here?
Is feeding allowed here?
Please do not touch the animals.
Please do not touch the animals.
请不要触摸动物。
Please do not touch the animals.
Please do not touch the animals.
Where is the reptile house?
Where is the reptile house?
爬行动物馆在哪里？
Where is the reptile house?
Where is the reptile house?
Where is the aquarium?
Where is the aquarium?
水族馆在哪里？
Where is the aquarium?
Where is the aquarium?
Are there tigers here?
Are there tigers here?
这里有老虎吗？
Are there tigers here?
Are there tigers here?
Is there a safari area?
Is there a safari area?
有野生动物区吗？
Is there a safari area?
Is there a safari area?
Can we take a bus tour?
Can we take a bus tour?
我们可以乘坐观光巴士吗？
Can we take a bus tour?
Can we take a bus tour?
Is there a train inside the zoo?
Is there a train inside the zoo?
动物园里面有火车吗？
Is there a train inside the zoo?
Is there a train inside the zoo?
Where can I rent a stroller?
Where can I rent a stroller?
在哪里可以租婴儿车？
Where can I rent a stroller?
Where can I rent a stroller?
Do you have a children's play area?
Do you have a children's play area?
有儿童游乐区吗？
Do you have a children's play area?
Do you have a children's play area?
Where is the food court?
Where is the food court?
美食广场在哪里？
Where is the food court?
Where is the food court?
Can I buy water here?
Can I buy water here?
这里可以买水吗？
Can I buy water here?
Can I buy water here?
Where is the gift shop?
Where is the gift shop?
礼品店在哪里？
Where is the gift shop?
Where is the gift shop?
Do you sell animal toys?
Do you sell animal toys?
你们卖动物玩具吗？
Do you sell animal toys?
Do you sell animal toys?
Can I buy postcards?
Can I buy postcards?
可以买明信片吗？
Can I buy postcards?
Can I buy postcards?
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
洗手间在哪里？
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
Are there lockers for bags?
Are there lockers for bags?
有存包柜吗？
Are there lockers for bags?
Are there lockers for bags?
Please keep the zoo clean.
Please keep the zoo clean.
请保持动物园清洁。
Please keep the zoo clean.
Please keep the zoo clean.
Do not throw rubbish on the ground.
Do not throw rubbish on the ground.
不要在地上扔垃圾。
Do not throw rubbish on the ground.
Do not throw rubbish on the ground.
Let's take a picture here.
Let's take a picture here.
我们在这里拍张照吧。
Let's take a picture here.
Let's take a picture here.
The animals are so cute.
The animals are so cute.
这些动物真可爱。
The animals are so cute.
The animals are so cute.
Look at the baby tiger.
Look at the baby tiger.
看那只小老虎。
Look at the baby tiger.
Look at the baby tiger.
I like the giraffe best.
I like the giraffe best.
我最喜欢长颈鹿。
I like the giraffe best.
I like the giraffe best.
The panda is eating bamboo.
The panda is eating bamboo.
熊猫在吃竹子。
The panda is eating bamboo.
The panda is eating bamboo.
This is a fun trip.
This is a fun trip.
这是一次有趣的旅行。
This is a fun trip.
This is a fun trip.
Thank you. I enjoyed the zoo.
Thank you. I enjoyed the zoo.
谢谢，我很喜欢这个动物园。
Thank you. I enjoyed the zoo.
Thank you. I enjoyed the zoo.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。